Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have all 3 bags for the Ipsy November month. We have the Ipsy Standard bag, we have the Ipsy Plus, and the Ipsy Ultimate. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos, and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was more October yes oh yes spoilers. Congratulations, Snooks91. Snooks says, hey love, swinging by to say hi. Well, hi Snooks, how are you doing, honey? I really appreciate you having your bell on, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and jump in right here. Right here is all 3 bags. They are this leopard print. They are just a little bit different, but I guess it's going to be like this every month, where they're going to be made by the same inspiration, but they might have a few differences in them. But these are really cute. I really do like them for November. Tell me what y'all think about them in the comments. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep y'all updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that pick comment from my last video. Congratulations, Minerva's Owl. Minerva's Owl says, morning. Well, morning, Minerva's Owl. I don't know when this will be updated, if it's in the afternoon or evening, but hopefully I'll get it out this morning. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. Remember guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my likes, my subscribers, they're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you are. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure that notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.